Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video I'll tell you guys how you can clear cache of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. If you are facing battery drain on your watch or it's a bit slow, you can simply wipe cache of your watch. Also I have a dope watch face for a giveaway which is up to 50% off as well. So let's get started. Okay, in order to wipe cache you have to press back and home key at the same time. Keep pressing them until Samsung logo appears, which will also say rebooting. When Samsung logo shows up, tap multiple times on home key and watch will enter into this menu. From here you can choose recovery mode once again by pressing the stop key. After you have entered into recovery mode, you can clear cache of your watch by selecting this option which says wipe cache partition. You can navigate to it by using this back key, and to select it, press home key. Now it's asking for yes and no. Tap on yes or choose yes and press home key. Next you can just reboot your watch. This will not delete any data on your watch. So do try it out and let me know in the comment section. Okay, now moving on to the watch face. This is USAsh A435 from USAsh Watch Faces, available on Google Play Store and Samsung Galaxy Store. Watch face is up to 50% off, so you can buy it as well for a limited time. For giveaway, just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section. I'll be picking up lucky random users in a day or two. A lot of Tizen coupons are available too via the link down in description. Moving on to the watch face design, it has this elegant look. Our time is highlighted in the center with most of the information being present at the top and bottom, like date, heart rate monitor, step counter, battery percentage, and more. Further, you can customize this watch face by long pressing on it. Here you can change background color. Now you can see that color is changing. Further, you can also change the color of time highlighted here. In the end, we have few settings for complications. Talking about AOD mode, it is amazing as well. Time is highlighted in the same color that you have selected for the main watch face, but it's dimmed down. So that was about it for today's episode, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.